Hey guys, welcome back. I am here with another BCAA review. Today I want to talk all about Transparent Labs. Okay, so if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We do tons of product reviews on all kinds of things and other fun videos, so you guys get notified if you turn on those notifications about all the videos we do. So today I want to talk about, again, this one BCAA that I have tried. Now, I have tried several, and when I say several, I mean quite a few, like a lot, of BCAAs in the past year or so. And I wanted to make kind of a compilation of ones that I liked the best and feature them and tell you guys which ones I liked, why I liked those specific ones, and this made the list. So this is from the company Transparent Labs, which I've actually tried other products from them that I really enjoy. So I already knew about the company, and that's why I decided to get their BCAA, and theirs actually has glutamine in it as well. So if you're in the market for a BCAA, I feel like anyone who stays active, works out, can honestly, in my opinion, benefit from a BCAA supplement. Now, some BCAA supplements have other great things with them, kind of bundled together. This one has glutamine, and BCAAs and the glutamine inside of here are gonna be great for muscle growth, muscle recovery. I was in the market for BCAA because I get really sore after a workout. So if you get sore as well, a BCAA might be your answer. It was definitely mine. It's honestly been a game changer. And this one I love because, and I'm gonna show you how I make it kind of while I'm talking about it, but I love this BCAA because not only are you guys can see here, not only are the ratios of each of the BCAAs, which stands for branch chain amino acids, the ratios are on point in here, but there's 8 grams of BCAAs in each serving. So I feel like with Transparent Labs, you get the most for your money, more than almost any other BCAA supplement out there on the market, because there are 8 grams. I'd say the average of all the other BCAAs that I tried, I'd say the average is probably anywhere between 4 and 6 grams per serving. And that's just based off the other companies, the other BCAAs that I tried, but this one definitely is on the higher end as far as how many BCAAs, grams of BCAAs you're getting per serving. So therefore, I feel like it's definitely the best bang for your buck if you're in the market for a BCAA. And then another great thing that I love about this is the added glutamine, which will help our muscles recover, will get less sore. And this actually has coconut water. So I'm gonna read you the ingredients, but it actually has coconut water powder. So I love that because it kind of acts as an electrolyte. Coconut water, if you know, is a wonderful natural source of hydration and electrolytes. So it's a natural form of electrolytes that's inside of this BCAA as well. But I really love everything about this, to be honest, guys. I found a huge difference when I work out. If I have a really hard workout, I'll take it 2 times even in that day, and I noticed such a difference in my muscle soreness. Now, if you are trying to build muscle, I would definitely recommend taking a BCAA, but also kind of pairing it with a protein shake as well, if that is your goal. Now, if your goal is to maintain a healthy muscle balance, make sure that your muscles are recovering and they're not breaking down and getting beat down from your workouts, and you don't want to be sore, then this BCAA and glutamine is perfect for those people. That's kind of where I was. I was starting to do a few more HIIT workouts, CrossFit. So I knew that my body was gonna be taking a toll. So I wanted to get the BCAAs for that reason. Now, I'm going to mix this. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. About 8 to 10 ounces of water, 1 scoop of the powder, and then I mix it right in. I normally do this in a blender ball bottle, but I'm doing it in this clear glass bottle just for the sake of showing you guys what it looks like when it's mixed. I know sometimes people like to see that, so I just put it in to the bottle and I mix it up. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys the best part about this. So this is the strawberry, if you can read here, strawberry lemonade flavor. And honestly, I think that the flavor is really good. It does contain stevia, so it's a natural sweetener in here. I like that this is flavored because just personal preference, but I like to have something with me at the gym that is flavored. So I don't like to just drink plain water when I'm at the gym. I like this and it has extra like electrolytes and things in there. I noticed such a huge difference when I take this before and even during my workout in my endurance and my energy levels. I feel like it has honestly like improved. I can't even tell you how many times, but like numerous times before I took a BCAA, I would go to the gym and not be able to like finish a workout because I used to get so tired and my stamina wasn't there, my endurance wasn't there. And since I've started taking this BCAA, it has honestly helped so much. So that's what it looks like. It's a little foamy at the top because I just like shook it like crazy, but it tastes super good. So this is actually one of the better flavored BCAAs that I've tried. Again, I tried several and some have like a flavor, so you mix it into a drink. Some are capsule form, but this one is definitely on the top of my list because it doesn't taste nasty. It doesn't taste like a supplement. It just tastes like a drink. Like it tastes like I don't know if you would compare it to like a sports drink or something like that. It honestly doesn't taste like you're drinking a supplement. So props to Transparent Labs. Again, this is the company, guys. I have tried several of their products that I really, really enjoy, and this is just another one on my list. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I wrote up, there's obviously pros and cons to everything that we try, but everything that I share with you guys is something that I enjoy more than I don't enjoy it. But it's something that I enjoy, but it's also something that I use and I have used. So that's the only reason I am sharing this, but there's obviously going to be pros and cons to everything, every product. So I kind of wrote up a list of the pros and cons and different things that I found I liked with this BCAA and glutamine supplement from Transparent Labs. The results I've seen, a few more details than I gave you guys on this video, just because I figure it's easier to kind of read through something, take your time, and figure out what the best supplement, if you're in the market for one, is for you. Now, the BCAA and glutamine supplement from Transparent Labs is one of the best in my opinion, so I would definitely recommend this one if you're in the market for one. Again, guys, that 8 grams of BCAA that you're getting inside of per serving, if you are someone who looks for getting the most out of their money, this is it. So I will see you guys later. Hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions for me about using a BCAA or using this one specifically, just let me know in the comments below. Again, subscribe if you're new here, welcome, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.